Look around, look around. All right, welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. At this present moment, we're going to discuss the Jamaica versus Trinidad game. A much improved performance, I have to say. Certainly, the first game didn't pan out how we wanted it to be, losing one love, and the dying moments of the game just set minutes out. But at the end of the day, you have to perform to get the result where you want. We didn't perform. We didn't get the result we want. Today, this morning, we did perform. We did get the result we want. I thought overall it was quite an entertaining game. Love the fighting spirit I saw from the boys. Going one goal down, bouncing back. We also missed a penalty. A penalty. Go one goal down. I think was a really good set piece from the Trinidad team. I think we could have done a lot better where defending is concerned. We didn't do our best. And we end up conceding a goal. But that's the nature of the game sometimes. If you don't do what you're supposed to do, the football will catch up on you. We still fight on. The boys show some fighting spirit, they show some character, they really show some guts, and they got back into the game. The Trinidad defender kind of misread the ball, made a miss kick. We latch on to it, made them capitalize on it. Certainly, that's a big part of it. And they went in the halftime. I think it's 1-1 went into the halftime. Then now in the second half, I thought the Trinidad team came out in the second half a bit more progressive in the first half. They were a bit more defensive, try and catch us on the counter. Came out in the second half. They started to run at us. They started to do 1 and 2, as in pressing a bit higher, changing their system. Midfield changed to 4, sometimes changed to 3, sometimes changed to 5. They were really mixing it up on us and just showing how diverse they are. Certainly the boys stuck in and capitalizing areas that they think they can. And we made, one of the technical long ball them, but it was not just one of the hopeless long ball them. It was some with some intent over the top and release. I think it was, I'm not sure, was it Nalo? I don't remember his name. I would score this up there. Ooh. Channel sir, people, my apologies. I should have that, Eh? Yeah, I'm supposed to have that. Not there. Yeah. Well, let me check if it was up on the JFF page, no? When you wanted the ball over the top? I think on Nolan. Yeah, Nolan. Lost on skirt. Big save that. Yeah, Nolan. Nolan scored the second goal. Actually, a very good goal still. Ball go over the top and he lobbed the keeper. But it was actually a really good goal. I have to say the performance, I was more impressed with the performance and the guts and the fighting spirit that the boys showed throughout the 90 minutes of football. Not the most entertaining. I think it was relatively balanced in many ways. We were a bit more conservative in the second half, I thought, because we didn't want to lose the game. We didn't want to lose the second game, so we were more conservative. We did get our breakaway, and we did score from it. Nevertheless, the coach said, boy, going to this game in just, it wasn't necessarily about the result. It wasn't necessarily about the scoreline. It was more so the character. It was more so the soft factors of football that they want to see, the fight and those things. So I think on the balance of the two games, I think overall we would have learned something from the first game, or they have also learned something from the second game. Nevertheless, I think it was an overall good performance. To their team, definitely, I think we definitely would have gotten something from that, where quality is concerned, where intensity is concerned. The game didn't necessarily play out like a friendly. It had some international clash into it. It had some bit of bias in it. It had some derby in it, and that little rivalry spill over sometimes. Some of the challenges, you see that, some of that. But nevertheless, we also got a penalty missed by Giovanni, but I do believe that won't affect him. At the end of the day, the youngsters show some character and some mentality. And that's what I want to see. And I hope to see that these scrapper players keep together and go and work together for 2025. Big up on yourself, people. Hit like button, hit subscribe button. And I'll see you guys again. Until next time. All right. Boom.